Take your first bite of cereal. Ugh. Not bad, huh? Give it a shot.
Not as good as boob, but oh well.
Oh.
She's making a sucking. She's doing a sucking back and forth?
Yeah.
Oh, God.
Whoa, your hand. What do you think of it? Want to try a little more?
We gotta move the hand first.
Try a little bit. Hey, wait a minute. That's not so bad, is it? Want to try it again? She's like, why is everybody watching me?
She's doing pretty well. She
Not
really
bad.
is.
Let's try and get some of it in her mouth.
Yeah. She's eating it.
Yep.
She doesn't have a choice.
She's like, Grandma, save me.
She always looks at me.
Wanna watch Mommy eat it?
She's smiling. It's mixed with breast milk. I wouldn't eat it. It's terrible.
No, he's saying Michelle.
No.
Wanna watch Michelle?
Oh. Yum, 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 yum.
She's such a happy baby. God. She's waving her tail.
I'd stop it at like 2 minutes. I'm going to hit 2 minutes. I'm going to do too big of a video.